As a visual storyteller, versatility is paramount. You want gear that works for every environment you're shooting in. Introducing the NiSi Swift System. Expanding capabilities with groundbreaking innovation. Designed to work seamlessly with the already popular NiSi VND filter, this multi-filter system expands what's possible and gives creators unprecedented potential. First, there's the VND filter. You've seen these before. Used to restrict the amount of light hitting the sensor to help maintain cinematic motion blur or a bit of style. Then, there's the 5 to 9 stop VND filter add-on, used to increase the VND filter effects for those even brighter shooting environments. Finally, there's the 1/4 black mist filter, used to bloom highlights and soften textures to give you a dreamlike effect. This filter can be used with both the NiSi VND filter or the included adapter ring, allowing you to shoot in low-light environments. Each filter can be mixed and matched to fit perfectly into your desired visual style. Purpose-built for creators with speed in mind, these filters can be instantly attached so you can shoot confidently and never miss the shot.